We've got a low cloud deck hanging over the Magic City on your Tuesday afternoon, and some of these clouds may limit our instability today for thunderstorm development. I still don't think that means we don't see thunderstorms. They just may be a little bit restricted as to how strong they can be. It's 69 in Birmingham, again very overcast and gray. But if you're stepping out the door, heading to lunch, there's not much rain out there. WVTM 13 Live Doppler radar just has a few light sprinkles over Calera and Shelby County and then up toward Calhoun County, but that's about it. Maybe over toward Tuscaloosa too. But these are very light. Hardly would even notice if you're not stepping outside. Here's the big picture. A lot of clouds in place, and notice these thunderstorms off to the west near the Arklamis, right over Memphis and northwest Mississippi. These are going to be what we're watching through the next couple of hours as they track east and promote some thunderstorms across central Alabama later this afternoon and into this evening. Here's a look at our severe weather risk map. We've got marginal risk for most of us, and so very limited chance of a storm becoming severe this afternoon. Main threats are going to be strong wind gusts, maybe even some quarter-size hail possible with a few thunderstorms. The risk is higher to the north, and the SPC actually spread this slight risk to cover more of North Alabama just because that's closer to the actual low pressure system and there's a little bit more forcing up that way. So here's a future radar. We've got scattered thunderstorms off to the north and west. This is at 3 p.m. Some heavy downpours. Those will track east with time. And if you are going to be out and about this afternoon, this evening, you want to keep a check on radar, and you can do that with our app. You can check our live radar at any point. 6 p.m. through dinner time, still some heavy downpours. Notice a lot of these favor our northern counties, but through tonight, a few scattered thunderstorms across central Alabama. And again, some of these may be heavy with some frequent lightning, some strong wind gusts, but we're not expecting widespread severe weather, so that's good news. Wednesday morning should be waking up to some sunshine, the clouds gradually clearing overnight, and we're actually much drier through the middle of the week. Wednesday and Thursday promise to be much drier with just a slight chance of a shower. Heading into the weekend, we see another storm system move this way, and Friday will be impactful both in the morning and even through the afternoon, evening hours. I think we could see a couple rounds of rain and thunderstorms, with the heaviest setting up south of I-20. And then into Saturday, lingering showers, a thunderstorm possible early, but the afternoon, the evening hours of Saturday do look a bit drier. There's actually a flooding risk up for Friday, so a slight risk, and this includes Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Shelby County further to the south, because I think we could see a couple inches of rain, especially for communities further to the south. We've been pretty consistent with a couple inches of rain expected. The further south you go, about an inch of rain when you get around Birmingham, Fayette, Tuscaloosa, up toward Coleman and areas further to the north. So there's some sunshine in the 7-day forecast, actually turning warmer into next week, flirting with the 90s again. Should be pretty nice. You're watching WVTM 13.